Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can truly elevate your nighttime swimming experience, the LOFTEK Rechargeable Pool Lights. We found this product online, and if you're interested, we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. These submersible lights are designed to brighten your pool, pond, or any body of water with a splash of color. The LOFTEK lights come in a pack of 4, and they feature a built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery. This means you can easily recharge them using the included USB cable from virtually any power source. With a full charge taking only 3 to 4 hours, you can enjoy illumination for anywhere between 50 to 150 hours. That's a lot of colorful lighting for your night swims. What sets these lights apart is their vibrant output. Equipped with 13 LED beads, they provide bright, flicker-free illumination that enhances your swimming experience without being harsh on the eyes. Whether you're going for a leisurely swim or hosting a pool party, these lights will create a visually stunning atmosphere. Now, let's talk about the upgraded remote control. This feature is a game-changer. These waterproof LED pool lights come with a remote that has a range of up to 200 feet in the air and about 16.4 feet underwater. You can choose from 16 RGB colors, 3 dynamic modes, and 5 brightness levels. Plus, there are timer options for 2, 4, or 6 hours. The remote even includes a memory function, so you can easily switch to your favorite setting without fussing around. When it comes to installation, LOFTEK has made it incredibly easy. The charging port is designed with an integrated seal that meets IP68 waterproof standards. This means these lights can be submerged without any risk of corrosion, making them safe to use underwater. You have 2 options for installation: a magnetic attachment that sticks to any iron or metal surface, or an adhesive option that allows you to mount them securely using the included mounting plate. This versatility is a significant improvement over traditional suction cup lights that only work on smooth surfaces. So, who are these lights suitable for? Well, if you have an in-ground or above-ground pool, a pond, or even a hot tub, these lights are perfect for you. They're also great for outdoor events, camping coolers, aquariums, and as decorative lighting for parties. Whether you're looking to set a romantic mood or simply want to enjoy a fun atmosphere, these lights have you covered. Imagine having a pool party with friends, where you can easily change the colors of the lights to match the vibe. Or perhaps you're winding down after a long day and want to relax in your hot tub while enjoying a calming blue light. The possibilities are endless with the LOFTEK pool lights. In summary, the LOFTEK rechargeable pool lights offer a fantastic way to enhance your outdoor experience. With their long-lasting battery life, vibrant colors, easy installation, and versatile applications, these lights are a must-have for anyone looking to add a little magic to their water features. Thanks.